Welcome to video NB19, find the number base. So here's the problem. For what base is 5 times 241 equal to 1445? Before I do anything, I always like to find out what the smallest possible base is. So I go to the highest digit anywhere in the equation. I've got a digit of 5, so my smallest number base would be number base 6. So in this problem, it must be base 6 or above. All right, then what I'm going to do is use place value in base x. I'm going to make everything be base x. All right, so let me just show you what's going on. This is the x, the zeros. This is the x, the zeros, the x, the ones, the x squareds. X, the 0, x, the 1, x, the squareds, and x cubes. And I'm going to expand just like I've been doing before. So just for the friendlies, ones, ones, ones. So 5 ones, 5 is 5 is 5, and any number base 6 or above. So I've got 5 times 2x squareds plus 4x plus 1 equals 1x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 5. And just a reminder, when we're talking about finding the number base, we're thinking of number bases in a base 10 scenario. So when I do this math, it's going to be done in base 10. So once I do this step, I'm back to just normal algebra. I'll distribute, I'll put in standard form, I'll try to factor, use the zero product property. All right, so just distributing. 10x squared plus 20x plus 5 equals x cubed plus 4x squared plus 4x plus 5. I'll collect all the terms to this side. I want to have a lead coefficient that's positive for x cubes. So minus 10x squared, minus 10x squared, minus 20x, minus 20x, minus 5, minus 5. So somehow, some way, I'll get 0 equals x cubed minus 6x squared minus 16x. I'm going to factor an x out of here. So it's going to turn into x times x squared minus 6x minus 16. I like to put the 0 on the right-hand side. And let's see if this is factorable. A minus 8 and a plus 2. Then I'm going to use the zero product property. So what I can do is set each chunk equal to 0 and solve for x. I can do this in my head. So x equals 0, x equals 8, x equals negative 2. The smallest a base can ever be is base 2. So we can't be negative, we can't be 0. And then for this problem, let's make sure that base 8 makes sense. Based on the digits, it's going to be base 6 or above. So the answer is not x equals 8, but base 8. And there you have it, how to find the number base of a problem.